Hey folks, it's Brad and Miss Tammy.
Hello.
B&T Catfishing Adventures out here on the Ohio River today, and we're chasing some cats and some skipjack as well. So stay tuned. Let's see how this goes.
Alright, Brad's hooked up. I've been fishing for skipjack, so I've got a line in my hand while he's reeling in his. He's fighting with you. Get your net.
Come on over. He's fighting.
Yeah, he's fighting.
He's fighting, doesn't want to give up.
It's a nice size one.
Get him off the hook.
Get him off the hook, get him waiting. We'll be right back.
5.26. 5.26. Nice channel. And let it go. There we go. He's gone. Go slow. Miss Tammy has something. We've got, oh, looky here. I think I know what that is.
I caught a gar.
You caught a gar, Miss Tammy. Miss Tammy is the gar queen. She is fighting this thing on ultralight line here. And fishing for skipjack. And instead, she ends up, oh no, now we got to miss. And anchor rope a little bit. You got a fish fighting, and he done turned the boat. So, but I'm ready to see this sucker. Yeah. Oh, he doesn't want to give it up. He doesn't want to give up. This light line is holding up, and there he goes. Boom. And Miss Tammy's got the stink out of her end of the boat now. There you go, Miss Tammy. Good job. Well, Miss Tammy finally snagged one of her skipjack. She has been after all day long. Caught a gar earlier trying to get a skipjack, and now she finally landed this one. Very nice one. Good job, girl.
Thank you.
Nice healthy fish. Just let it go. Well, there you go. That was fun. A little cold though, wasn't it, Miss Tammy?
Very cold.
Yeah, basically when we were on the water, it was probably about 65 degrees, which doesn't sound bad, except it was cloudy.
And 20-mile-an-hour wind.
Yeah, 15, 20-mile-an-hour winds, and when we're in the boat, against the current and all that today, little old driftwood, now she was going about 19 miles an hour, but at 19 miles an hour and into the wind and having that hit you, that's cold. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, that's cold. But we had fun. We caught some fish today. Not obviously as many as we would like, but we can always, you know, love to catch more.
You caught the catfish though.
I did. I caught some catfish, and Miss Tammy got her skipjack, and of course a gar. She's becoming famous for her gars now. So
Well,
it was.
we did say a fish is a fish.
Yeah,
so,
a fish is a fish, and that's that's what
you caught the catfish and I caught the fish.
That's right. So there you go. Anyway, we had fun. Thank y'all for watching. We appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done that yet to our channel. We'd love to have you as part of our B&T Catfishing Adventures team family there. Anyway, Miss Tammy, good job today.
Thank you.
You are most welcome. We'll do it again soon, folks. Stay tuned and tight lines.